to Teach Place Value School Support Series. Place value refers to the value of each digit within a number. In the number 2368, the 2 has a place value of 2000 and the 6 has a place value of 60. What is the value of the 8 in this number? The digit 8 has the value of 800 or 800. Let's have a look at writing and describing whole numbers. When describing whole numbers, remember the place values of the original digits. Some digits are joined in their description. For example, when describing the number 35, we don't say 3 tens and 5 units, but rather the more common name of 35. In the same way, the thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s columns are usually described together. Here are some examples: 2,000, 62,000, and 162,000. Let's have a look at multiplying numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000. When we multiply numbers by 10, every digit moves one place to the left. Units become tens, tens become hundreds, and hundreds become thousands, etc. When we multiply numbers by 100, every digit moves 2 places to the left. Units become hundreds, tens become thousands, hundreds become 10,000s, and so on. When we multiply numbers by 1,000, every digit moves 3 places to the left. Units become thousands, tens become 10,000s, hundreds become 100,000s. Let's have a look at dividing numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000. When we divide numbers by 10, every digit moves 1 place to the right. Thousands become hundreds, hundreds become tens, and tens become units. When we divide numbers by 100, every digit moves 2 places to the right. Thousands become tens, hundreds become units, and tens and units become fractions of a unit. When we divide numbers by 1,000, every digit moves 3 places to the right. Thousands become units, hundreds, tens, and units become fractions of a unit. So we hope this has helped you understand place value and how to teach it. Thanks for watching.